finally, we look at the 60 minutes where we're trying to find the different patterns. And then we simply transfer all of this information into this very easy to use step-by-step checklist where we know at a glance whether the market is trending up or down on the daily, up or down on the 4-hour, the zone that we're looking at, high to low, and then the 60-minute, what pattern we're looking at, like a flag or a pennant or a triangle, or what pattern we're waiting for. And then finally on the 15-minute chart, we have the exact instructions for us to enter the marketplace, where you can see here I'm waiting for the market to break above, and then we have our price, to trade long with a stop at that price. Then we have the section on short trades. I'm waiting for the market to break below this price to trade short with a stop at that price. Now while we're waiting for this to happen, this is where we can bring in confirmation. Confirmation are some simple tools that I've developed over the years to help me to see when the professional money is active in the market. And I have three main confirming patterns that I look for. One is the Little Dipper. Now this is where I wait for price to break out of a pattern and then retest the breakout. And this is where I wait for the market to retrace to 0.382 or 0.618. And please don't worry, we'll go over and talk about what this exactly means. Just keep in mind that we have a Little Dipper confirmation. Then we look for a 3-bar reversal, and then finally the sneak attack. And we will go over what each one of these three patterns looks like and how to use it. And then finally, here's our profit target. This is where we write down how many lots we're trading and at what price. And we can take that information and combine it up here with our 15-minute chart so we know exactly what we're going to do. We know where we're going to get in, and we know exactly where we are going to get out. The counter trend trade checklist is very similar. You can see that it has section 1 is rating, section 2 is rehearsal, and then section 3 has overlap as well. But there is an important change. When we're in a counter trend mode, this is where we start looking for our trading lane on the 4-hour and on the daily chart. We then write the trading lane down here, and then we wait for an hourly pattern. You can see here the daily chart has changed where we're looking for the trading lane on the daily, we're looking for the trading lane on the 4-hour, and then we're looking for the pattern on the 60-minute bar. Finally, when we get to the pattern and the confirmation, and this is where we look at the 60-minute or the 15-minute, you can see that I'm waiting for the market to form a blank pattern to enter, either long or short, at a price of blank. This is where we can fill in exactly where we're looking to get in. You can see that the confirmation levels are the same, and we have the same profit targets. Now as we go along, I'll walk you through the counter trend and the trending checklist, and I'll give you several examples of both so that you can start to familiarize yourself with what exactly you're looking for on a step-by-step basis.